Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a 3D skybox and hammer. Now I'm going to be using one of my previously made maps to do this. So the first thing you need to do is find the type of barrier that surrounds your map. In this case, mine is this fence. So it can be anything from a building or anything that distinguishes the surrounding the edge of or border of your map. So I prefer if you made a fence. So once you do that, you have to go and select your entity tool. And for objects, you need to do sky_camera. And you have to place this camera at the origin of your map, which would be 0, 0, 0 on an XYZ scale. Or, if you zoom out on your grid, it's where these two blue lines intersect exactly, which would be right about here. Or, if you find it in a 3D view, it would be this thing. So go find your sky camera and place it there. So let me find mine. Here it is. I find a slightly easier view to see it out of though. Okay, now that I have that, dragging it to 0, 0. Place it on there exactly. So let's check it out. Apparently I was off. So undo translation, move it a bit more, see where I messed up. Maybe I wasn't off. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. Okay, so now we have it exactly at the map's origin, which is 0, 0, 0 on an XYZ scale. So now once you do that, with this still selected, hold down Control and select your skybox and your map's border. So let me do that first. Okay, now that we have that, zoom out and hold down Shift so you can copy your map and move it to wherever you choose. Okay, now the skybox is always 1/16 of the original map. So go to Tools, Transform, and select the box labeled Scale. And for the XYZ values, you're going to put 0.06, no sorry, no number lock on. Okay, 0.0625 on all of them. So 0.0625, 0.0625. Then hit OK. Now, if I can find my skybox, this is your skybox. Now, the reason you have this border is so you could place materials in your in the skybox, yeah. Because if you ever play a game and you notice the skybox has slightly large buildings, this is how you do it. So go in your objects after you select your entity tool, and type prop_static and place it in your map. Open it and world model, browse. Now type in skybox. And once you do that, let it load a bit, and it will load all the previously made skyboxes. You could use your own, but you got to make sure it's about 1/16 of the scale. So you can make it in your map and then scale it down and put it in your skybox. That'll work. Or you could just use previously made ones. So let's see. I'm going to choose this building right here. Hit OK, apply, and position it wherever you want, whereas right now it's fine. So now when you render the map, you'll see this beyond the border, and it's always nice. But the two important things you have to do is when you're finished is to delete the reference point you use, which in this case will be our fence. Make sure you delete all that. And go back to your actual map and you'd have to delete the Skybox, or the Sky camera that you placed at the origin. You have to leave the one that's in your 3D Skybox. You just have to delete this one. So with that deleted, you now have to render your map, and you will have a 3D Skybox. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please be free to post them. If you have any requests to make a video, just ask. Thank you, and goodbye.